There's a snake on the highway. Whoa. Hello people, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today we will be heading out from Bardhaman and we'll reach Siliguri. This is where we checked in last night. It was a little late, not too late, a little late. A nice place, little on the expensive side. Since we were late, we couldn't find too many places in this town, so we just decided to check in. We have a long ride today. It's about 12 hours from here, and I have no idea about the condition of the roads here. So there is a signal on top of the flyover here, and here is a hanging bridge over the railway line here. We are headed towards Katwa. I'm using Google Maps to navigate my way out from here. And yeah, Yatish has lost his bungee cords. He doesn't remember if he's picked it up from the parking lot last night, so that's missing. He used a spare bungee cord to tie the bag, but his saddle covers are really loose. I mean the dust cover. Saddleback dust covers, they keep flapping so much with the bungee cord. Now there is no cord protecting it. Not sure what's going to happen today. Let's see. Hope we don't face any issue due to that. And yes, today is Christmas. So Merry Christmas to everyone who's watching this. I know you won't be watching this on Christmas, but still I'm wishing Merry Christmas. So we were just checking on what are the restrictions when you visit Assam and Meghalaya. I messaged a few friends and they were like, you just need a COVID negative report. I'm not aware whether they'll do that test at the checkpost or should I go to a particular clinic and get it done. I think once we reach Siliguri, we can sort that out tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll be getting a COVID test done. Let's see how that goes. Very irritating when someone pokes a stick into your nose, you know. हाँ Here we are at Murli Daba by the paddy fields. We ordered Maggie. Today's issue, you lost your bungee cord.
Yeah, I lost my bungee cord. I don't want to lose anything else.
There is the Maggie we ordered. So finally we are back to having Maggie as breakfast and lunch and dinner.
Started from today.
The roads have been like this for the last 20-30 kilometers. I think it will be like this all the way. Congested area, drive slow. I don't know whether they're not maintaining the roads just to slow us down. The vehicles are taking a beating, you know. Motorcycle can skip all these queues. Just need to find our way to the camp. Needed. Thank you. Need a break. We stopped here to stretch, drink some water. Don't forget to keep yourself hydrated during the ride. Oh my god, look at the amount of trucks now. Yay, yay, yay. These are huge. Vehicles can't go into them. You have to maneuver them. What now? I think we reached some sort of checkpost here. That's the reason you see so much trucks piling up back to back. Finally we find the board, Siliguri. Now we know we're on the right track. There is a railway line on the left and there is water on the right as well. Wow, it's a huge dam. Look at the amount of water behind it. Sad that I couldn't stop. There's no place to stop on the bridge. And a goods train is also passing on the bridge. And here goes another one. Oh, this is a BSF campus 4 kilometers ahead. Full tank. हाँ नॉर्मल हाँ लॉक कर दीजिए 250 kilometers के 8 hours ತೋರಿಸ್ತದೆ continue we stopped for lunch at this dhaba here. They both are sitting inside, so we'll have lunch. It's a long day, it's been a tough ride. It's 3 o'clock now. ETA was 8:30 in the morning, it's 8:30 even now. Hoping to reach by then. And like that, we're done with lunch and we've started our ride, but I think in this entire trip, this was the worst food we've had. We came here, we thought it would take too much time because there are some Christmas celebrations happening here, it's going on. We just had some white rice and little dal, that's it. Okay, after we stopped, there are like a number of dhabas now. We were quite hungry, it was late already. We stopped at the first place that we found and it went bad. There's a snake on the highway. Look at that. I don't understand why he was asking us to stop until I saw the snake. I have no idea how long this traffic jam is going to be, but it's been a while already. Whoa! Why this traffic jam? No clue. This is that famous junction for traffic. Oh, there is a traffic signal here. Christmas celebrations are in full swing. I need to wait for these guys now. We are at an intersection.
दादा बहुत दूर जाओ इसलो
हिंदी भैया,
हाँ
हिंदी में बोलो.
मैंने कितना दूर से
बैंगलोर से.
बेंगलोर से फिर कहाँ जाना है
अभी मेघालय जाना है.
हाँ
मेघालय.
मेघालय टाइम क्या टाइम लगा नहीं नहीं बेंगलोर यहाँ तक टाइम टाइम लगा
अभी वो 4 दिन हुआ.
और है पार्टनर
हाँ और 2 है. हाँ आ गया.
ठीक है थैंक यू
थैंक यू.
बेस्ट ऑफ लक
Thanks. ಎರಡು ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಒಂದ್ರ ಒಂದು ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ. Done with our tea break. Time to move on. Transition break is over. Had to do the regular routine of cleaning the visor, getting set for the cold wave. No, say that. During the day we ride a little warm, but once sun is set, it gets really cold here. As we are going up north, temperature drops day by day for us now. Have another 4 hours to ride. If you want a taste of this adventure, you can travel here right away. After a few years, people will miss this situation, you know. I don't know how much of this is visible to you, but I don't know how a bypass can be through a village. But yeah, as long as we reach our destination, everything is good with me. This is a single lane road where 2 cars can't go at a time, and there are trucks coming on this route. No stars, no moon. Huh? 7:30, it is like 11:30. ಅಬ್ಯಾಂಡನ್ ಅಲ್ವೋ, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಏನೋ ಇರ್ತದೋ. ಅಬ್ಯಾಂಡನ್ ಅಂತೆ. ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಬ್ಯಾಂಡನ್. We're almost reaching Siliguri now. 13 kilometers what Google Maps says, and 23 minutes. ETA is 9:07. We started at around 8:30 in the morning. It's close to 13 hours now on the road. I can't see anything now. Completely covered in dust. I don't know which crater I'm going into.